Hello everyone, I am an engineer from Shenzhen, Guangdong. Today we will explain the collaborative creation tutorial. Go to the homepage of the teaching pendant and click collaboration. Now we need to set 3 points. This is the first point. Click OK. Move the additional axis and adjust the second point of the axis. Mobile robot alignment creates calibration points. Now we start creating the third point. Then switch the coordinate system and align the point at the end of the robot. Set a name and save. When finished, click Collaborate. This is the collaborative crafting package we just created. Now let's try it. In this way, our collaboration is created.